50 fastest car list is provided here. The question is, how do you select in an unbiased fashion 20 cars out of these 50 cars? This list is already ordered and organized in the sense of acceleration time in second from 0 to 60 mile per hour is from the fastest car to slowest car in this list. And the fastest one at this time is Tesla Model S Plaid, manufactured 2021, fully electric car, 1.98 second acceleration time. After that, we have Ferrari SF90, manufactured 2021, hybrid engine, 2 second. Then we have Porsche 918 Spyder, and then we have Porsche 911 Turbo, and those are 2.1 second engines, being hybrid and also internal combustion engine, ICE engine. And then finally, after those, we have Lamborghini and Bugatti Chiron. Those are ICE engine or internal combustion engine in 2021 and 2018, 2.2 second, and so on and so forth. One fast way to select 20 cars out of the list of 50 here in an unbiased fashion is using the rand function in Excel, which is without any argument. This function assigns a random number between 0 and 1 in a form of uniform distribution. Right now, as you can see, I already have a column with assigned numbers using this function. Each number is just simply by assigning value saying equal to rand without any argument, as you see here. The only catch is every time if I click on anything, these numbers will randomly change. So one better idea is we just select um, numbers, and then after we find numbers using rand for each of the rows here, we copy paste the values into a separate column so that they are once generated and they won't change anymore. So here it is. And just make sure that next time you copy paste, you just copy paste values. Now you can see that these things won't change anymore, but every time you click anything, the original column that is based on rand function keeps changing. So I can remove it then, or I can just forget about it. So let's just forget about it. Now we have these random numbers here. So what I can do is just now apply a filter to this column. So now I can just say, all right, let's apply by going to data, apply a filter here, and then organize these numbers from, say, smallest to largest. As you can see, since I organized this random numbers from smallest to numbers now, starting from going back to the first column, the list of cars, I can just go ahead and select 20 cars here. And because they are ordered in a random fashion, completely unbiased random fashion, therefore, effectively, I ended up selecting 20 cars out of the list of 50 fastest cars without any bias. I hope that this is helpful.